What's up guys, Atan here, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to get paid to watch videos online. You heard me right, you're going to make money by just watching videos. And I'm going to show you 3 easy ways actually. All you have to do is stay with me, but first make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell to be notified every time there is a new video uploaded, and also don't forget there is a link below in the description for my #1 recommendation on how to make money online. Okay, so I'm going to walk you through actually 3 websites that you can sign up for to get paid to watch videos online. Really simple, really straightforward. So with that being said, let's get started. The first site is grabpoints.com. And you can see here you can actually make money by doing more than just watching TV, but we're going to focus in on watching videos here. So you really sign up, and this is how it works. They recruit members like you. You do online activities. We are going to watch videos here, taking surveys. You can do, of course, this if you want to make more money. What I liked with this site is that you get paid via PayPal also. So you can see here there is some gift cards and rewards here, some testimonials, and here are ways to earn, watch videos. You can answer surveys, complete offers, play games, and download apps. So if we have a look at the frequently asked questions, which I think you should definitely always go through to see so you won't miss out on anything. It is really simple actually. When I signed up at this site, you just go ahead and watch, follow the instructions, really simple and straightforward. A cool thing would be actually if you have 2 monitors, you can just have one monitor with the app ongoing and you earn more and more points there. The second site, pretty similar like GrabPoints, is earnably.com. Works really similar. You earn instant rewards by completing tasks, watching videos, which we are interested in, and of course if you want to take surveys you can do that. It's that easy, and it is exactly that. This is an example here. You can see for 5 minutes you get 23 points, 5 minutes 58 points. And this is also, they also do payout via PayPal. You can of course pick Amazon gift card, Steam wallet code, and Bitcoin payment also if you want to. Really easy. You can get started in under a minute. When I signed up it was super easy. Free of course to sign up as well. Have a look at the help center if you want. You can see here for getting started. It's not available in all countries, so basically you can see those countries that it is not available in. But have a look at the details here at your own pace as always. Here are the do's and don'ts. You should definitely go ahead and see that. How much are points worth? You see here 1 point is worth 1 cent, and the rewards they range from $1 to $100. So it all depends on how much you're viewing and how much, what tasks you're taking on. You might want to take some surveys instead of videos. So this is the EngageMe.tv, which I signed up for. The device limits here. You can see you can actually get sign up for 3 devices, so you can use this on your desktop, on your iPhone, and of course on an iPad, which means you will earn more points there by having it ongoing all the time. So that is pretty cool also. And the last site that I'm going to show you is probably the most popular also. It is perk.com. And you can see here, have fun, earn rewards, get perk, and earn free cash, gift cards, and more. And it works pretty similar as the previous 2 sites that I showed you. You can see here they have paid out $57 million in perk rewards given to date. And there are really a few ways here also to make money. So it is the perk first of all. You watch 100 of awesome videos. The next site is the VIGGLE, Viggle.com. and it works pretty similar. You check into your favorite TV shows and earn perk points here. You do that with the same account. While they do, these are two separate sites, but you can have it under your same account here. And you can also scratch and win. This is something completely different, but you can actually make money with this also. So if I scroll down here, it's completely free and pays you real cash rewards. You can see there is over 250,000 5-star app reviews. So it's definitely the most popular, and it works, as I mentioned, a pretty similar way. You can download apps here also. So if I have a look at the FAQ, is perk free? It is totally 100% free. So there you have it, 3 easy ways. Definitely not something you're going to be super rich on, but I think it is a pretty cool way to make some extra money. Now I would definitely do something else, like I would go to user testing, for example, and make $10 via PayPal for every 20 minutes, which is another option. Actually, you can make $30 per hour here. I think you can earn more money. So this is another option if you want to go for instead of watching videos. But if you just want to do it the lazy way and earn some extra money, all you have to do is sign up to those 3 sites that I showed you. Okay, that's it. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit that notification bell every time I upload a similar video like this. And most importantly, there is a link below in the description for my #1 recommendation on how to make money online. Okay, thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon.